Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is identifier, literal and operator. First one, identifier. These are used for assigning names for the classes or methods or variable. Identifier is nothing but a name or a keyword which we are used in a particular program. Rules for assigning the names to a particular class or a variable. Here we have the rules. Those are identifier allows numbers and letters. It should not start with a number, it would start with only letter only. Example, my program 123. Identifier does not allow any spaces. Example, student class. Identifier does not allow any keywords. Identifier does not allow any special characters. Means does not use any special characters. Example, underscore abc dollar name. These are the identifier which we are using for assigning the names for classes or methods or variables. Next we see the keywords. Keywords are special tokens in a language which have reversed to use in a language. Keywords cannot be a identifier in Java. Examples of keywords in primitive data types are int, boolean. Some of the keywords are abstract, assert, else, enum, break, for, if, public, return, and we have many keywords which have a specific meaning for this. These keywords are used as reserved words. They cannot be used as identifier. Next topic is literals. Literals are nothing but the values which is assigned for the variable. It represented as a constant value to be stored in variables. Example, int a equal to 10. Here int is a data type, a is a variable, 10 is a value. It is a constant value. Literals are divided into 5 types: integer literals, floating literals, character literals, string literals, boolean literals. Here the integer values means we have int, long int, char. Floating means we have float and double values. Character means we have char. In string we use a set of characters. Boolean means we know we use true and false values. Here we see the each literal. Integer literals. Data types can consist of primitive data types such as int, long, char, byte and short. Here the byte, int, long can be expressed in decimal, hexadecimal or octal. Example, int decimal equal to 9, int octal equal to 0144, int hexa equal to 0121f. Floating literal can be like float and double. Next one is character literal. Character literal can be specified as single printable character in a pair of single quote characteristics such as a. Here we use single quotes in this character literal. In the next one is string literals. A set of characters can be represented as string, so we use string literals as double quotes. Boolean means we use true and false values. Next one is operators. Operators support. Here the Java supports the following operators for performing any operation within the expression. Expression means it is a combination of operator and operand. First one is arithmetic. Here we use arithmetic operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. Next one is relation operator. Relational means we have greater than or equal to, greater than, less than or equal to, not equal to. Here we use these operations in this relation operator. Next, boolean operator. Here we use true and false in the Java programming language. Next one is assignment operator. Assignment operators means we use a equal symbol. Here we use to store a value in a variable. Int x equal to 5. Here we store the value of a variable into another variable also. Int x equal to y. Next one is increment and decrement. Increment is used to increment the value by 1. Decrement is also used to decrease the value. And next one is bitwise operators. We have bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, and bitwise OR operator, bitwise complement operator also. These bitwise operators are used to perform the operations on the bits of a numbers. And next one is shift operators. We use left shift operator and right shift operator. Left shift is used to change the positions to left side, and right shift is used to change the positions of a specific number to the right side. Next one is logical operators. Logical operators, we have three types of logical operators. Those are logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT, means NOT operator. We have AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. In these logical operators, we are used to construct compound conditions. A compound condition means it is a combination of simple condition. We use if and means we use if statement. Here it is used in AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. Next one, these are the operators which we use in Java programming language. Each operator have specific operations which will be performed in this expression. So these 8 operators are used. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.